Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Spanish textbooks is probably one of the most important decisions you will make on your Spanish learning journey, as a good textbook can significantly impact your progress and enjoyment of the learning process. Finding the perfect fit depends on your learning style, current skill level, learning goals, and preferred learning resources, so choosing one that caters to your specific needs and preferences is crucial for maximizing your learning experience and achieving fluency. Number 5. Easy Spanish Step by Step. Welcome to Easy Spanish Step by Step. This program is designed to help you master high-frequency grammar quickly and efficiently. Let's begin your Spanish language journey. We'll start with the fundamentals, verb conjugations. Mastering these is key to building strong Spanish sentences. It's easier than you think. Now, let's build upon that foundation by learning proper sentence structure. It's all about understanding the order of words to create clear and concise sentences. You'll be speaking fluently in no time. Next, we'll focus on common phrases used in everyday conversations. This will help you navigate real-world situations with confidence. Practice makes perfect. Let's put your new skills to the test with practical exercises and real-life examples. You'll be surprised how quickly you progress. Keep up the great work. Finally, we'll dive into more advanced grammar concepts. This will help you achieve fluency and express yourself with greater precision. You're doing amazing. What we like? It emphasizes grammar rules in a clear, structured way. If you value a systematic approach and want to build a solid grammatical foundation quickly, this is a great option. This book is perfect for learners who prefer a structured learning path and want to master Spanish grammar efficiently. What people say. Vocabulary words are carefully chosen and presented to fit together into sentences to cover a huge range of most common situations. For example, in an early chapter this book presents numbers, times of day, months, seasons, etc. and ties all these things together. Another thing I noticed is that the words which are covered are generally well balanced, using things such as opposites, so they are learned more memorably and able to be interchanged within sentences. A lot of essential glue words and syntax is presented and explained in a smooth, complete way I've not seen before. An example of this is the presentation of que, tan, and como on pages 1131-115. These words are essential and a large part of natural speech, but I've never been able to understand them well enough, in context, to feel comfortable using them in my own phrasing. Number 4. Madrigal's Magic Key. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. This program makes it fun and effective. It uses creative techniques to help you learn and remember new vocabulary and grammar. It's designed to keep you engaged and motivated. Madrigal's Magic Key has a long history of success. Many students have used it to achieve fluency. The program is structured in a way that's easy to understand and follow, even for beginners. You'll progress at your own pace. Don't wait any longer to achieve your language goals. Begin your journey with Madrigal's Magic Key. It offers interactive lessons that make learning more engaging and effective. You'll be actively involved in the process. It covers all the essential aspects of the Spanish language, from basic grammar to advanced conversation. You'll gain a well-rounded understanding. What we like? It uses a unique, creative method to make learning fun and memorable. If you're looking for an engaging and less traditional way to learn, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who respond well to creative teaching styles and want a more enjoyable learning experience. What people say. The author of this book uses a very interesting method to help you quickly learn Spanish. What she does is teach the reader how to add hundreds and hundreds of Spanish words to his or her vocabulary by simply using the English words that you already know. Another thing that I really like about this book is that after every 9 or 10 lessons, there are a series of tests that help you test your progress and see how far you have come. In Chapter 41, the author teaches the present subjunctive and breaks down how to express hope, fear, doubt and desire in Spanish. In Chapter 42, the author teaches the past subjunctive and breaks down how to express past hopes, fears, doubts and desires in Spanish. Number 3. Learn Spanish fast. Want to learn Spanish quickly and easily? This 3-in-1 book makes it fun and simple. Start speaking in just 21 days. It includes a workbook, short stories, and a handy words and phrases section. Everything you need in one place. The workbook provides interactive exercises to reinforce what you learn. It's the perfect way to practice your new skills. Immerse yourself in the language with engaging short stories. It's a fun way to build your vocabulary and comprehension. Master essential Spanish words and phrases. It's designed for quick memorization and practical use. Listen along to the audio pronunciation guide to perfect your accent. It helps you speak with confidence. This program is designed for adult beginners. You'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. What we like. It promises fast results with a comprehensive package. If you need a quick way to learn basic Spanish and appreciate extra resources, this is a good choice. It's perfect for busy learners who want to see results quickly and value convenience. What people say. This workbook is very helpful for one learning Spanish. This book is easy to use, which I think is important in learning a new language. I recently purchased Learn Spanish Fast for adult beginners, and I must say, it exceeded all my expectations. This 3-in-1 book is an absolute gem for anyone looking to dive into the beautiful world of Spanish. The first thing that impressed me was the easy-to-follow structure. The 21-day plan makes learning Spanish feel manageable and less intimidating. Number 2. Spanish Grammar Workbook. This workbook makes learning Spanish easy and fun. It's designed for adult beginners and includes simple exercises and practice worksheets. Master the fundamentals of Spanish grammar with clear explanations and engaging lessons. You'll build a solid foundation for fluency. Learning a new language should be enjoyable. This workbook uses a fun and engaging approach to keep you motivated. Practice what you learn with simple, effective exercises. These will help you retain the information and build your skills. Reinforce your learning with additional practice worksheets. These provide extra opportunities to practice and solidify your understanding. It's designed to help you start speaking Spanish quickly. With consistent effort, you'll see results in just 3 weeks. What we like. It offers a structured 21-day program with practical exercises. If you thrive on short-term goals and prefer hands-on learning, this is for you. This is perfect for those who learn best through practice and want to see progress rapidly. What people say. This book was a much better alternative and just an amazing learn tool in itself. The book first teaches you the basics in the simplest terms. They make the material very relatable. After overviewing the basics, they then provide practice questions to reinforce what you learn. The lessons are very straightforward, and I like the cheat sheet towards the end of the lessons. The exercise book is very user-friendly. There are tons of exercises, which provide you all the basics for learning Spanish. Number 1. Spanish Grammar for Beginners. Are you ready to embark on a fantastic journey of learning Spanish? This course will provide you with a solid foundation in Spanish grammar. This course combines a comprehensive textbook with a practical workbook. It's designed to make learning engaging and effective. It caters specifically to adult learners, understanding your unique learning style and pace. The lessons are structured for optimal comprehension. You'll learn essential grammar rules, from verb conjugations to sentence structures. It's the perfect starting point for your Spanish language journey. With a combination of clear explanations and practical exercises, it supercharges your learning process. You'll be speaking Spanish with confidence in no time. Don't wait any longer to achieve your language goals. Begin your Spanish learning adventure now. What we like. It combines textbook instruction with a workbook for comprehensive learning. If you prefer a traditional textbook approach with extra practice, this is a great fit. It's suitable for learners who like a balanced approach to learning and want to reinforce their knowledge through exercises. What people say. Excellent book with a bonus audio component that breaks down grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Very effective in teaching conversational Spanish and culture using workbooks, audio, and bonus newsletters. This book is just what I need to help with understanding Spanish grammar. The text along with the quizzes and audio files are great learning tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.